Okay, I'm actually going out through the kitchen. I couldn't figure out the master bedroom door. Okay. Covered patio. Barbecue. Deck looks nice. Looks freshly painted. Well maintained. It's a pretty tree. My goodness, what a quiet backyard. Gotta love that view back there, huh? I'm gonna try to see if I can get into the garage. Okay, there's your driveway. And then there's the garage. Yeah, there's a keypad, so I don't think I'll be able to get into it from there. Let me see if I can go around the back and see if there's a door that's open. I'm gonna go get my shoes. I'll be right back on the video again. Okay, so there's not a door back here, but I did discover that there's a gate that leads to the back of the property if you're gonna go for a hike or something. Look at this. Good morning. Okay, and there's a little library right here. So property's right there, and then you've got a hiking path right here. There you go. That is pretty amazing. There's people hiking, so I was trying not to get them on film. But let's see here. There's the back of the house. Okay, I'm gonna try to get in the garage. I was just waiting for the agent to give me the garage code. Okay, got the garage opened. Let's go take a look. Okay, there's definitely storage. You've got storage all the way in the back here. There you go. Yeah, and a good sized space. So you could certainly park a car in here and have another car on the driveway there. There's quite a bit of cracks. You know, again, the age of the house kind of is the culprit for that. We've got some trees back here. Could be roots settling. There's another tree over there. But it didn't feel, when I walked on it, it didn't feel wobbly or anything. Yeah. Very nice. I'm gonna put this video together and send it over to you, but I'll tell you, my impressions are pretty high of this house, and I definitely agree that we are very likely to want to put an offer on it quickly, because nothing screams that this will have any issues, in my opinion, getting sold. So, okie dokie. There's one more shot. Cute kitchen.